Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Clayton here with Duval Family Outdoors. Before we get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. So today, well, let me back up. For those of you who don't know, and I know this channel's pretty new, but I'm an avid waterfowl hunter. And I know I don't have very many, I only have one waterfowl video up right now, but I promise you with season coming up, I will have a lot more waterfowl content to come. With that being said, I usually hunt out of layout blinds, but this year I'm doing something a little different. I bought a Lucky Duck 2x4 10-foot A-frame. If you're not familiar with that, Lucky Duck, it's an A-frame blind. The 2 stands for 2 separate pieces of the blind to where it's 2 5-foot sections to make a 10-foot blind, and 4 you can comfortably and safely hunt 4 hunters out of that blind. I'll go ahead and turn this around and show you guys the box. I haven't unboxed it yet, so this is going to be an unboxing and kind of initial review. I'm going to put it together, see how long it takes. For you guys it'll probably be like 10 seconds, but we'll see how long it takes. But anyway, I'm done talking. Here, I'll turn it around. This is the box that it comes in. I ordered this from Rogers Sporting Goods. That's pretty much where I get all of my waterfowl gear. So shout out to Rogers. They are an awesome company. I've actually reached out to them quite a few times with questions, and they've always been there to help. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down. We'll unbox this and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so I haven't opened this box up yet. I've been waiting to do this video. So let's go ahead and cut into it. So this is everything that came out of the box. These are the 2 canvases. And it does come with instructions. Amanda always tells me I'm pretty bad at following instructions, but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead. I've got all the light, on the first step it said put all like parts. On step 1 it says organize like parts together. I've already done that as I was pulling them out of the box. So I'm basically gonna set you guys down. I'll go ahead and time lapse, but I'm gonna actually set a timer and see how long it takes to set this up for the very first time. And you guys stay tuned, and I'll talk to you once it's set up. So this is it. It took how long? 14 minutes and 30 seconds. I feel like that's pretty darn good. That should speak a lot on this blind. What I'm doing right now is I'm installing these gun rests. That's one feature that I really like, is that it comes with 4 gun rests. That comes in handy, especially when it comes down to safety. That way, if the blind gets bumped, your gun's still pretty steady. But here in a second, I'll take you guys off the bipod and bring you in here and we'll walk through it. I didn't need it. So, stepping inside, one of the things I really like about this is on other A-frames that I've seen, they have that middle support bar. This is supported all the way through on both sides. The entrance, these buckles are pretty adjustable. I mean, I'm sitting here one-handed. But yeah, and then you can adjust that and pull it tight. It comes with 4 pockets. And like I was saying, the 4 gun rests that clamp on right here. But this is the inside. I am 5'11" and I'm a bigger guy, I know that. There's plenty of room in here for me. You know, if I sat down, had a nice chair in here or something. But really easy, plenty of room to pop up. Plenty of room to get down and hide. I really like this blind. I'm excited to use it this year. So it does have the stubble pockets at the bottom and good stubble straps. Then it's got a second layer of stubble pockets. That way you can really get your cover up here and really start to cover the top. Because I know that is one downfall of hunting out of an A-frame, is this big open area right here. If ducks come over the top of you, if you don't have it brushed in right, they will see you and it could potentially flare them. But that is my initial review of the Lucky Duck 2x4 blind. I am pumped that I got it. I think I made the right decision. But yeah, I'm excited about it. It's going to be a great duck season. We're just, today's the 3rd. So we've got just under a month away from dove season. And that really kicks off hunting season here in Oklahoma and everywhere else. I mean, let me know what kicks off y'all's hunting seasons. I'm telling you, I am pumped up. I'm ready. It's been a long summer, and I'm ready for hunting season. Another thing, so I will have a very select set of dates that if one of y'all want to come hunt with us this year, I will be posting those dates on our Facebook page, Duval Family Outdoors. Be looking for those dates in the next couple of weeks. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've been on the fence, maybe this helps you put a visual on what this blind is, what it comes with, and what I paid full price for this. Well, I say I paid full price. I got it on sale at Rogers for $450. But I'm not sponsored by anybody. I paid that money out of my pocket. And yeah, but hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully it was informative if you were on the fence. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.